I've written a Python script to evaluate player performance. You can input the number of players to be evaluated as well as their names. I've temporarily modified the program to automatically fill in the scores for three players to save time. But you can also change the number of runs per game. The person's statistics are displayed, the average score as well as their highest and lowest scores. Then we have a final result to determine who is the best player. So we run the program. So we input a player name. The program autofills the scores for now. The average of the player is 45.7, high score is 100, and low score and the low score is 1 for this player. Let's put in another name. So here's the output for Paul and another one. So the average scores for each player are displayed with the high score at 73.2, which is from Tina.